Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley as a beginner. To begin your farming adventure, focus on clearing a small plot of land on your farm. You'll receive 15 parsnip seeds, which are perfect for your first planting, as they mature in just 4 days. Remember to water your crops every single day to ensure they grow properly. Once harvested, sell your produce to earn your first few hundred gold, which you can then use to buy more seeds or even a new tool. This initial step is crucial for building your farm's foundation. As your farm grows, expanding your resources becomes key. Visit Clint the blacksmith to upgrade your watering can, making daily watering much faster. Venture into the mines to gather essential ores like copper and iron, which are vital for crafting and tool upgrades. Don't forget to chop down trees for wood, a fundamental material for constructing new buildings and fences. Fishing is another excellent way to earn extra gold and discover unique items, so cast your line in various water bodies. Stardew Valley is more than just farming. It's about building a vibrant community. Make an effort to speak with villagers every day to foster friendships and unlock special heart events. Giving gifts, up to 2 times per week, is a fantastic way to boost their affection towards you. Keep an eye on the bulletin board outside Pierre's general store for quests that offer rewards and friendship points. Participating in festivals throughout the year is also a wonderful opportunity to engage with everyone and experience unique seasonal activities. Looking ahead, setting long-term goals will keep your Stardew Valley experience engaging. Prioritize saving your hard-earned gold to invest in significant tool upgrades and construct new farm buildings like a coop or barn. Experiment with different farm layouts and types to discover what best suits your preferred playstyle, whether it's focused on animals, crops, or foraging. Continuously work towards unlocking new areas and content by completing various in-game objectives. There are many hidden secrets and unique items waiting to be discovered throughout the valley, adding depth to your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.